Welcome to this trade alert video. In this video, we're going to be looking at DOGEUSD. This is a cryptocurrency, and we're going to be breaking down the charts for you. We see a possible entry on this one, but the entry hasn't materialized yet. So we're going to share our idea with you and let us know at the end of the video what you think in the comment section. Now, looking at this monthly time frame already, it's interesting to note that it seems to just be creating some sort of comfortable double bottom, right? We just envisage that it just might be creating a double bottom. It hasn't completed that anyway, all right? So it's pretty much scanty on the monthly time frame. Let's look at the weekly. Okay, this is the weekly time frame. What do we see? A beautiful rejection off of this support area. See how it rejected 1, 2, 3, 4, and even 5. Beautiful rejection off of that area. Must be very strong, but there's still a chance of the price breaking that support area, because you see, when a support area is tested over and over and over and over again, the more it's tested, the weaker it becomes actually. Right, it's logical, right? If there's a basement or there's some sort of surface, the more you hit on that surface, the weaker that surface becomes. There's a likelihood that there's going to be a breakthrough, right? So looking at this on the weekly time frame is similar. We won't be surprised to suddenly see a move to the downside and then it breaks through. The next move could break through, or to be watching for that. But on the chart, we can see already that this double bottom has been formed, and it seems the neckline is about to be broken. It's not broken yet. Let's not get ahead of ourselves. It's not broken yet. All right, it's not broken yet. Now, when it has to do with breaking necklines, you have to take consideration of the pin as well, the highest point. Right, you have to consider the highest point. Now, if you trace it down, you will notice the price tried breaking it, but it didn't close there. It fell back down, right? Yeah, so let's just give it some time. If it breaks through, that's a good indication that the move to the upside could be ready. But remember, after it has broken, we'll still need the price to do a retest for us, just to be sure. But once it's broken, it's a good sign that it's going to head up, right? The retest is just double confirmation, but it always doesn't happen like that. It's just double confirmation for us. Like, see how this played out. Just one candle. That's the thing with cryptocurrencies, they move crazily when they want to move. This double bottom did same thing. It broke it, but it didn't give us a chance to even jump in, guys, unless we were placing a buy stop order. It just shot through, palm to the neckline, to the second leg. To create a second leg. All right, ended the move and came back down. It didn't even care about us, guys. It didn't care about us at all, right? So, but you're not expected to chase the market. If it wants to go, let it go. It's better it goes alone than it goes with your money, guys. Allow the market go alone, not with your money. All right, so we're going to wait for the same thing. We just hope it doesn't do the same shoot up as it did previously. So once we see the break, bam, we know we are ready for an up move. But on the daily time frame, do we see anything interesting? I feel like I should rush to the 4-hour time frame already. Yeah, I think I'm going to just rush to the 4-hour time frame. I think I'll just rush to the 4-hour time frame. Let's just go there already. I'm too eager. Okay, the reason I'm eager is because there's a possibility of a sell trade, right? Or rather, there was. We actually took the trade because you see, once the price gets to, okay, let's use this for example. Once the price gets to our 50% level, which we handle it differently for cryptocurrency. The cryptocurrencies, they don't do a lot of back and forth, back and forth. If it's going up, it's going up. If it's coming down, it's coming down. Unlike currency pairs that has a weird way of alternating movement. It could tell you it's ready to go up, and all of a sudden, for just no reason, you get it just reverse and stuff like that. So looking at this, we see how it got to our 50% level and was ready to come down, showed us an indication, and actually did come down, right? So that's, you see how it actually did come down right there. So that's what we expect here as well. That's how we handle cryptocurrencies. This is another thing we spoke about in one of our previous videos, how the market is always intentional. It didn't touch the 50% level, right? This 50% level, it didn't touch it, but it came down, and then see the reaction, it eventually went up again to actually touch it this time. You get, so don't be fooled. The market is always intentional, it doesn't forget things, right? Now at the time of recording this video, if you look at Bitcoin, it did the same thing, something similar. It hasn't retested the support area, right? It hasn't retested the major zone it broke. It has to retest the major zone for a comfortable trade, right? But on DOGUSD right now, it has come up and appeared to have been going down, right? But really isn't going down. Now it has created a new high for us, so we are now looking for buying opportunities. We just need a buy confirmation, right? On this one, once we get a buy confirmation, right? Once we get a buy confirmation, this would have been a beautiful sell for us. As a matter of fact, we took this sell in our VIP channel, but stopped us out for a loss, right? But that's okay. Our risk is well managed, so losses aren't a problem for us, because we know overall our chart is going to look like, our chart already looks like this overall. You see, right? Loss, profit, 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 loss, profit, loss. You get, just like that, consistently going up. So losses are not, doesn't shake us. It's not really much of a problem. So for DOGUSD, by the way, the VIP channel link will be in the description of this video, so you could easily join if you want to. So for DOGUSD, we're looking for it to come back to this area. It's pretty close. We want it to come back completely and then give us a good buy entry. So we'll be looking to buy in up until the next major zone. You get, up until the next major zone. Now this isn't, we are not certain it's going to be up to 2:1 reward to risk ratio, so it's just going to be one trade. Normally we used to have to take profit levels, but this might just be one, right? But we'll put all of that in the VIP channel. Anyway, we'll put that detail in the VIP channel once the trade is ready for us to jump in, right guys? So don't miss out on this one. You can include this to your watch list, and let's see how this goes.